Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. Welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, week 11. We're finally there. Made it to the end. Really great stuff. Really excited to see the final changes for your project reels and stuff. So, good news. No replies last week. Everything worked out great. If you posted an initial post, you got the full credit. So, that was perfect. This week, however, discussions are going to work a little bit differently and everything. And I figured I'd give you an introduction. So, rubrics are already posted on there. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. However, this week, the biggest goal this week is presentations and actually having your presentation this week. And that's going to be really huge. So this week, we're going to have a lot of stuff that we're going to do and also finish this week as well. Also, do keep in mind that I know the schedule say Saturday, but I've made that change recently. End of class is actually Friday. So just to give you a heads up. I know it's still a lot of work to be finished and everything, but if you need some extra time, I can help you out with that stuff too. So those changes should be done. But here, let's talk a little bit about presentations. It's the last thing we got to do, and that's pretty much it. So let's do that. So what we have this week, we have presentations. We're going to talk about real quick about preparing for your presentations. What options do you have overall? And then just some shot lists and their importance, and that's pretty much it. So this is what we're going to be focusing on this week. Now, when is your presentation and what are your options? So you have two options to do your presentation this week. One, you can present it live in live lecture. If you do present it in live lecture, that's awesome. Everything works perfect. You don't have to do any reply posts or anything on there, and that's pretty much it. However, if you cannot attend lecture, what's the next step? So you're going to do your presentation in a video format that's going to be about 4 to 5 minutes long. And you're going to post that video as your discussion. Along with that video, you're going to post not only the presentation, but also a brief summary of what's asked for you in the rubrics. Keep in mind, though, that if you're going to have to reply to respond to all students that have presented or that have posted their work on discussions if you do not present live in class. Now, if you don't present live in class, that's cool. All I'm going to do is pretty much just post another student's from a previous course assignment and everything, and then you just give feedback on that, and that's pretty much how it's going to work, as long as you posting your initial post as well. So that's pretty much what's going to happen if you don't present live, and we'll go from there on Tuesday if that happens specifically. Now, preparing for your presentation. So this is what I'm going to be asking of you pretty much. Your presentation will include a walkthrough of your demo reel. After finishing your presentation, be prepared to address the following topics. What do you believe your demo reel says about you? I want to know is who's your target audience? What are you most proud of? And what did you learn from the feedback that you received throughout the quarter? And how did you affect the development? Not only going through and walking through your demo reel itself, but also going through some elements of your shot list. That's what I'm going to be looking for. Double check the rubric to make sure that every single element's covered in your presentation and that it flows properly, all right? Other than that, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I got your back. But overall, that's what I'm going to be focusing on this week. If you don't do it in lecture, that's cool. We'll worry about the discussions, and then I'll post a student's example so you can reply to that as well. But that's pretty much it. Just the last week. Let's just finish up strong. Last day of class on Friday, and that's all we got. So, all right, my friends, be safe, have fun, enjoy. I'll see everybody later this week. Have a great week. Bye, everybody.